Took my first breath where the mud
Kapać się na bombą.
Mexico, the skyline's colored by chemical plants, put bread on the table of the working man, where the working man does his best to provide.
Będzie nie popadł.
For kids and a wife, giving a little of a soul every day, making overtime to keep the wolves away. I was barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave. It happened on a French-owned tanker ship, spilling poison into Galveston Bay, where the liquid fire filled his lungs and his eyes silenced any more cries. Cold in the grave, with death stinging pain, we fought like hell to keep the wolves away. For the next few years, Dad was sick as a dog, but he made recovery just to spite the odds. The settlement came and we moved out of town, where the sky is heavy with refinery flags.
Però koniec. Ja. Gremo. Snet.
To je to. Eno lukna.